Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will show you how to fix the internal system error, DX error and DirectX logging issues that come up while installing DirectX on your Windows. First, make sure the necessary Windows features are turned on your system. Go to the Windows search bar, type Windows features and click on turn Windows feature on or off. When the small window opens, look at the top of the list and make sure both .NET framework boxes are fully checked. Then click OK. If Windows asks to download and install this feature, select the Windows Update option. Wait for the installation to finish, then close the window and restart your computer. After your computer restart, the next step is to check the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Click on the search bar, type Control Panel and open Control Panel and go to the Programs, then click on Programs and Features to view your installed software. If you already see Microsoft Visual C++ in the list, right click it, select change and run a quick repair. If it's not on your system, open your browser, search for Microsoft Visual C++ download and go to the Microsoft official website. Scroll down and download the correct file for your system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit, and then install it. Once your system components are updated, we can safely move on to the installing DirectX. Open your browser or click the link in the video description. Search for DirectX user runtime web installer on Windows Microsoft official website and download it. Choose your preferred language and download the file. Once the download finishes, right click the setup file and select run as administrator. When the install opens, accept the license agreement and click next. Just make sure the option to install the Bing bar is unchecked since we don't need an extra software. Click next again to start the download and let the component install without any errors. If you're still running any error during installation, here is the one last method you can try. Right click on the download DirectX setup file and go to properties. Go to the compatibility tab. Check box for run this program in compatibility mode and select an older version of Windows from the drop down menu until the setup runs without any errors. Once installation is complete, click finish and restart your computer one final time to apply all the changes. And that's it guys. If you like this video's help, please like it, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.